With the fee price on the Ethereum network, which also hosts the ERC20 token, being so expensive, a lot of crypto users have decided to move their funds over to the Binance Smart Chain to take advantage of fees that are much less than the fees on the Ethereum network. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to move your funds from the Ethereum main network over to Binance Smart Chain. And we'll be doing this by using one of two methods. One would be using the Binance Bridge on Binance.org. And the second way would be if you have a Binance.com account, you can withdraw your funds from Binance.com into the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so one of the first steps you will need to do in order to access the Binance Smart Chain, you'll need to have access to a wallet that can access the Binance Smart Chain. And you have a choice between Binance Wallet, which is run as a browser extension. You can go to Binance.org and you can download it here from the website, or you can use MetaMask. You can use MetaMask as a browser extension and as a mobile phone app. If you want to use MetaMask, it has to be configured in order to access the Binance Smart Chain. However, if you use Binance Wallet, that automatically uses the Binance Smart Chain, but you can switch between both Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. But I will cover this in another video, how to actually configure it. But if you want to, I will show the settings that you can put this in MetaMask, and this would allow you to access the Binance Smart Chain. So these are all the settings here you will need. So to cover how to move your funds over, one of the first platforms I want to go over is the Binance Bridge. Same place you download the wallet, you can use the Binance Bridge. Go to Binance.org, come over to Bridge. So once this page loads, located in one of these restrict countries here, you will have to use a VPN to access the bridge. So that brings me to a very important point. In order to use the Binance Smart Chain, you have to be located in one of the allowable countries, or you will have to use the VPN to access it. And that goes with the Binance Bridge and also with Binance.com. Okay, so once you get access to Binance.org and you're able to go over to the Binance Bridge, what you want to do is select your wallet using MetaMask. Then you want to select the token or the coin you're going to move over to the Binance Smart Chain. In this case, we're moving Ethereum here. Use Ethereum, and you're moving from Ethereum network. So you want to switch this from Ethereum network over to the Binance Smart Chain. And for here in my example, I got some funds over here now. I'm going to move all of it over. And then I want to say I want to swap some BNB and gas. I don't need to do this. Then you want to choose your destination. What do you want to send it to? So the thing about this, the Binance network uses the same addresses and the same private keys as you use on the Ethereum main network. So if you have the public key and a private key on Ethereum main network, it's the same thing will it be on the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to be sending it to my same wallet. So I am going to click my wallet address, copy that over. I'm going to paste it here. Then you hit next. Then you go through the little thing here, terms agreements. So there is no network fee for this. It's 100% discount right now. I don't know how long that's going to be, but it's a nice time to take advantage of this process. So once you get your coins, then you hit confirm, and then submit transaction via MetaMask. So once you get to the screen here, what you have to do, you have to send your Ethereum from your wallet over to this address right here. Once the address selected right here receives those funds, then those funds will be automatically routed over to your address on your Binance Smart Chain, the one you supplied. But in this case, I'm not going to do that right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to the next step and show you how to do the same process using Binance.com. All right, so moving on to the next step here. So the easiest way I believe to move over to the Binance Smart Chain is actually using Binance.com, their website. So what I went ahead and did, I went ahead and set my Ethereum over to Binance.com, and we're going to go to the fiat spot, the wallet side, and we're going to go to withdraw. I'm going to choose your Ethereum. And what we're going to do, you have the options to withdraw over to the Ethereum mainnet, the ERC20, to the Binance chain, which is BEP2. This is very important. Or the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. You want to choose the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. This is the chain where you would take advantage of a lot of DeFi protocols and the lower fees. Because if you want to do a comparison, in order to withdraw this Ethereum over on the Ethereum mainnet, I'll be paying basically $15 in fees fees. When I put it over to the Binance Smart Chain, I'll only be paying 22 cents in fees. That's a significant difference. And that's basically overall with any type of transaction over on the Binance Smart Chain, you'll be paying significantly less fees. So this is the reason the Binance Smart Chain has been picking up a lot of popularity over the past weeks because of these lower fees. So what I want to do here, I want to select the Binance Smart Chain, and I'm going to withdraw my full amount because I'm going to take advantage of all the DeFi protocols over here with these funds. I'm going to copy my wallet address. So we want to withdraw the funds, and then you hit submit, and then you have to go through your verification process. We'll skip ahead into that process. All right, so I sent my Ethereum over to my MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. When you go to your wallet and view the Binance chain, you may not see the Ethereum there initially. Well, what you see here is that you do see the Ethereum icon, but it's BNB. BNB is the primary coin on the Binance Smart Chain that's used to pay gas. That's part of the reason the Binance coin has shot up in price over the last several weeks, because it's used more now. But if you do not see your Ethereum initially, you will have to manually add the coin. So what you have to do, go over to BSC scan, find the smart contract where Binance is at. So this is going to be Binance-Peg Ethereum token. This is going to be the address right here. So I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to go back into MetaMask. I'm going to go to add token, and then I'm going to go to the custom token and paste this in here. So now you see it's Ethereum in 18 decimals. You click next, add token. And as you can see now, my Ethereum is now on the Binance Smart Chain. And with this Ethereum being here, I'm able to use these funds in several DeFi protocols without having to pay these extraordinary amount of fees that takes away profit when you're trying to use these protocols. So one of the places I use is DeFi Station. I've been heavily involved in PancakeSwap. I recently got involved in Venus and Auto Farm, and I'm also heavily in Goose Finance. Over the next several days and weeks, I do plan to go over several of these projects to explain how to use them and how to take advantage of the yield farm to gain a lot of profit over here. I think this is going to be a good wrap up point for this video. What I went ahead and did today in this video, I did show you how to move your ERC20 tokens and Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet over to the Binance Smart Chain. We did that using the Binance Bridge, which is located on Binance.org, and also using the withdraw function on Binance.com. Now remember, in order to use either of these functions, you have to be located in a country that does have access to it, or you will have to use a VPN to gain access to it. Again, I do want to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial.